Have you ever wondered what goes into making the mattress you sleep on every night? Behind the comfort of a good night's rest is a fascinating process that happens inside large factories. Today, we're taking you inside a modern mattress manufacturing plant in the United States to see how raw materials are turned into the beds we rely on for years of comfort. The process begins with raw materials: rolls of fabric, huge blocks of foam, and steel wires for springs. These arrive at the factory in bulk and are carefully inspected to make sure they meet quality standards. Foam is one of the key ingredients in a mattress, and it comes in large sheets or blocks. Using high-tech cutting machines, the foam is sliced into precise shapes and thicknesses. Each layer has a specific purpose. Some add softness, while others provide support. At the same time, steel wires are coiled and formed into springs. These springs are then joined together to create the inner core, which acts as the foundation of the mattress. Once the spring units are ready, workers and machines begin layering materials on top. First comes a protective layer that separates the springs from the foam. Then, layers of different foams and padding are stacked carefully. These layers determine how soft or firm the mattress will feel, and manufacturers often design multiple variations to meet different customer preferences. A softer mattress may have more plush foam, while a firmer one uses denser layers for strong back support. The top fabric, known as the ticking, is then prepared. Giant quilting machines stitch the fabric together with padding to create a durable and comfortable cover. You may notice decorative patterns on the surface of mattresses, and these designs are not just for looks. They help keep the layers in place and add extra reinforcement. Once the quilted fabric is ready, it's stretched over the layered core and aligned perfectly. Next comes one of the most important steps: assembly. Skilled workers and automated sewing machines secure the mattress by stitching the sides firmly in place. This ensures that the materials inside stay tight and won't shift around with use. The edges are reinforced with heavy-duty binding to keep the mattress strong and long-lasting, and brand labels are attached to identify the manufacturer. Before a mattress leaves the factory, it must go through strict quality control. Special machines press down on the surface to test durability, simulating years of use in just minutes. Inspectors check for any flaws in stitching, fabric, or shape. Only mattresses that pass these tests are approved for packaging.